Boy, it rough. Let me first say I do not condone bullying in any way, shape, or form. This story here is sad, but bullying is not anything new, but there are new ways that we can handle it. We can see there is some game going on here, whether voluntary or involuntary. But sadly, check the comments and everyone is talking about prison and shoot and fight child. Come on. We haven't grown past this. In the heat of the moment, I can't say anything because I would be there too. I understand it's your child. But watching a past account and we as adults can't come up with solutions that make sense, we can't find amicable solutions online to have a discussion and to be able to grow and prevent something like this from happening again. You think that the child that is going around bullying children in schools are reading your threats and comments and saying, oh, I better not mess with that child. And after you get thrown in jail for whatever situation that may have come up, who is going to stop your child or your other children from getting bullied? We have to be real and look at the situation involving our children realistically. We all went to high school. We know who got bullied. We know what they look like. We know their mannerism and their characteristics. If you see your child is smaller or has certain characteristics that may remind you of somebody that may have been targeted when you were going to high school, teach them self-defense. Make sure your child can de-escalate a situation and, if need be, neutralize a threat. It's not only our jobs to protect our children, it's also our job to teach them how to defend themselves, because we're not going to be around them 24/7. And let me say again, this is a really sad situation, and I know it's triggering for a lot of people. But, we have to look for solutions. We can't just stay in the problems, and we can't just perpetuate cycles of violence. We have to move to de-escalation. We have to move to moving smarter. Once again, I say I do not condone bullying of any kind. But we have to look at this situation and we have to find a solution for this one and future situations that are going to arise, because one thing that we can't do is we cannot prevent bullying.